on Facebook and other forums how about remove brake pistons from motorcycle calipers. You know, they get stuck. People want to rebuild. As I say, the fun bit's getting the bolts out. People want to rebuild them. And I see people saying, grip the outside of the piston with a pair of pliers, just on the top. That's not the best idea really, because you end up with knackered pistons, if we can get that in shot. If you can see the marring marks on it, bit of focus. Marring marks on that, with people that actually grabbed it. And that's not the best for your seals. Although that is above the seal line, you still don't want to risk it. So I'm going to show you my preferred method. Take a caliper in the vise. I've already split this one. I'm going to grip this in soft grips, not very hard. And I'm just going to hold it about there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take 2 pry bars, push against each other, and I'm going to twist. Take that bit more on the vise. I'm going to twist and pull. And you see that this one hasn't been out, but twist and pull, 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 and slowly get it. There we go, and she's out. Very easy. Absolutely no damage to the piston. That'll clean up lovely, and that's how you get them out.